Alright, we're on the Tickle Creek Trail here in Sandy, Oregon, and it's beautiful out today. It's a nice, well, there's Bruno. It's a nice, it's supposed to be 60 degrees, so that's pretty cool. And there's a creek behind me. And yeah, not very many people out today as it's a weekday, so middle of the day on the weekday. That's nice. And there's Bruno getting some exercise. And my mom is here. Yeah, so we're on the Tickle Creek Trail. It's a funny name, Tickle Creek. And it's a nice walk. I think it's not more than like, you know, a mile that way and a mile back. And yeah, it's pretty fun. And it's pretty easy. And it's just outside of like the Fred Meyer area here in Sandy, if you happen to know where that is. Off 362nd, and I think we're off DeBarco. But yeah, it's a fun trail, so come along and let's explore. All right. I love walking along here and looking at all the cool ferns and all the trees. Storms, sometimes this area gets really like lots of storm damage. So it looks like these kind of happened with some of the last storms we've had and stuff. But yeah, it's nice when this path isn't very muddy, and luckily it hasn't rained out very much in the last couple days. So we've been having a crazy weird winter where Mount Hood hasn't got very much snow, which isn't super great. Yeah, Mount Hood hasn't got very much snow, and I'm not sure if they will because it's already February, so we shall see. Anyways. Oh my gosh, look at this root system of this tree that fell over. That is crazy. It's really tall. I'm not gonna go down there because I'm actually scared. I don't know. I don't remember this being here a couple years ago. I would have noticed.
Okay, hold your hands up.
So it's crazy how big it is. Dang. I know. Yeah.
A small tree with a humongous root?
I don't know. Maybe they all kind of look like that and it just all came up. No. Crazy.
I remember
it's huge.
I really learned a lot.
Oh yeah.
The betterment of the forest with these down trees that helps feed all the little critters.
Yep. Mushrooms like to grow at the base of these tree trunks. Bruno sniffing all the trees. He's got to get all the smells in. Yep. Little fortress around this tree, which it looked.
They got it.
Scary face tree. All right. We're.
You can do a song over it.
Yeah.
Some parts. This is
I realized.
Hills.
Yeah. Yeah, look for the video icon, not the slow-mo icon. I realized I was probably taping the whole beginning of this video in slow-mo. So, that's awesome. Yeah.
Looked like it had some other features.
Well, Bruno just barked at another neighbor passing by. Here, I wanted to sit on this bench for a second. I also have pictures of Lucy sitting on this bench right here. What does it say? Enjoy nature's beauty and peace. Sit a while. Your cares release. Donated with appreciation, Sandy Golden Age Club. Aw, cute. Bruno, what do you think about this trail? You like it? His hair is growing out, so please excuse his beard.
Hello. Good boy.
I love just sitting by a creek and taking in the fresh air. It's so relaxing. Right, Bruno? I used to sit by a creek and watch a sunrise sometimes, and it's so pretty. Yeah, so far we've seen, just maybe about a handful of people. A couple dogs. Big dogs just like to bark right at each other. And... oh gosh. It's... yeah, beautiful day though. 60 degrees it's supposed to be today. And Lucy's just at school. And I'm enjoying my time. And this is right in the middle of town. Just this nice, really old, nice hiking little trail. I should also mention Bigfoot likes to hang out. Well, he's known to be seen in the Mount Hood National Forest, but I mean, maybe during the cold season he comes over here. Not as much snow as up on Mount Hood. Or does Bigfoot hibernate? I wonder if there's theories on that. Is he like a bear? Or does he stay in a cave all winter? Or is he just so furry that he's warm enough to be able to stay out? I wish I could hibernate in a cave all winter long. I wish it was 70 degrees and sunny like every day. That's just how I am. So we're reaching the end of this section of the trail. You can see there's some city stuff. What? What were you looking for? Your walking stick?
No.
What?
Nothing.
What? I want to make fun of you. Tell me.
I know, exactly.
Well, can you just tell me?
I was looking for my sunglasses.
Oh my gosh. My mom just wondered where her sunglasses were. Oh, Lord. Over here there is more trail, but then there's apartments and stuff. But this creek is just so beautiful. Now Bruno's on squirrel watch. We've seen chipmunks over here too, actually. See lots of cute little creatures around here. There's a squirrel. One of the little creatures. Bruno saw it too. Where is it, Bruno? Where'd it go? He's looking. He's looking. Where'd the squirrel go?
Oh, we got another costume.
Yeah, I saw that. Ah, the beautiful sounds of someone cutting wood or something. It's okay. We're getting more into the town part, but we're gonna go walk over to the playground area, which has another trail. Here we go. We're not going to go too much further though, because what time is it? Yeah. Right, Bruno. Now the trail pops us out on the sidewalk here, so we're gonna walk over here to the other part of the trail. Oh my gosh, it's warmed up in the sun. It feels so good. It feels so good. No, that sound of what I thought was wood cutting is actually a pressure washer. The pressure washer sounds of nature. And there's a playground over here, which I'm not going to videotape at, but it's a nice little playground park. Let the kids after this walk play around on the playground. It's nice. Come on, Bruno. I like how this tree is right in the middle of this walking area. Alright, there's no kids playing right now, but it's a cool little playground area. Bruno's got to sniff the bush. Oh, he's got to mark his territory. Alright. We're gonna keep walking this way. Watch out for all the roots right here. Did you see that?
No, what do you do?
There's a big hole right here.
Oh, you didn't see that?
I just had a little heart attack. It's okay. Nope, I went down. Ooh, pretty. We're not going down there. Oh, there's another big root. Okay, we're gonna turn around. Here's another big root system that looks like it went up. I would say that's at least two of me standing on top of each other. So it's about like 11 feet tall, because that's big. That is big. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool to see. Oh, sorry, Bruno. Pretty cool to see. Bruno's like, we've been here before. We're not going in the creek right now, though, Bruno. Yeah, in the shade it's a little chilly, but in the sunshine it's super nice. Super nice. But yeah, always stay on the trail and don't venture out there. There is poison oak, I'm sure, out here somewhere. Oh, I think Bruno sees another squirrel. We don't have really many trees around our yard. We don't have any trees in our yard. But sometimes the squirrels will climb across the fence and Bruno sees them through the window, and it's so funny. They'll have a stare down through the window too. It's so cute. Oh, it smells smells like, every time we go over here, I always say it smells like the alligator exhibit or the crocodile exhibit over at the Oregon Zoo. There's a distinct smell to it. And it's like a humid, musty smell. I don't know how else to describe it. That's my best way of comparing it.
Looks like the land right there is just slowly washing away.
Gosh, it's nice to get fresh air. Lucy doesn't like hiking, so I don't hike as much because otherwise I have to listen to her complain the whole time. So I try bribing her and everything, and she still won't go, or she still complains, or asks me, can we turn around yet? I don't know. I know some people try to keep their kids focused on hiking with like scavenger hunts and, you know, see how many pine cones or whatever, but it's hard to keep her interested in it. But maybe when she's older. I don't think I really liked it when I was younger either. Yeah.
Maybe the trunk was so small that it was just leaving its life force and tipped over easily.
Yeah, or wind,
Yeah,
or too much rain and wind.
yeah.
Yeah, we have lots of stuff, lots of fun stuff planned for this summer. I'm pretty excited. This summer and spring. And also my paranormal group is going pretty well. I'm going on my first investigation next month, this month, which is exciting. If you're into that thing. Wow, stuff. Look at this big tree. Oh, Bruno's peeing again. I don't know my tree species. Those are ferns right here that Bruno's sniffing. Right, Bruno? Oh, here's another area you can go see the creek. I know Bruno wants to go see it. I have pictures and videos of my daughter Lucy playing here with her friends when they were all little 1 and 2 year olds, and it's so cute looking at those pictures. But we all used to come here during the day to kind of get some of their energy out, and then she'd sleep the whole way back home. But it was fun. When Lucy was like 1 or 2, 1 and 2, we would come here a few times. There are houses surrounding this area too. Look at these big trees. There's another big tree. Ooh. Crazy. I think they put these fences around them to protect it. There. That's probably what he saw. I don't know if this part was in slow-mo, but you might be able to find painted rocks on this trail. People like to leave the painted rocks here, but Lucy and I always like to keep an eye out for some, and we'll take one. Otherwise, we'll leave the others where they are, because, you know, let other people enjoy the fun stuff like that. And they also have Easter egg hunts. I don't know if they still do it. At least they did pre-2020, but they did Easter egg hunts here on Easter, which is kind of cool, running through the trails, finding Easter eggs. That'd be kind of fun. I'd like that. But, yeah, very pretty. Well, you good boy. Didn't bark. Ooh, here's some more big trees. And my mom and I were looking at this tree, and I think they have it protected with that fence, but also it looks like someone's been in there and, like, you know, burnt it or something. So that's annoying. But, oh yeah. Over here, just a normal tree. Ooh. It looks like it's got a scary face. Scary face tree.
Yeah.
And look what I found. I found our little mushroom friends. Mount Hood is known for also having some good mushrooms in the forest as well. We found some morels before. This isn't technically Mount Hood, but pretty darn close. I found them in a Troutdale before too, which is, you know, another one of those kind of base cities. It's not too far from here, or towns I should say. It's not really a city. I think like earlier this winter we had a lot of like heavy rain and like strong winds, and that's probably what brought down a lot of trees too. And during any of the storms they have here, they kind of have to clean up over here because it's usually pretty lots of branches, sometimes fallen trees blocking the trail.
They're just finding some big rocks and smash them open and they're crystal inside.
Oh no, I haven't watched videos like
Those
that.
are really cool.
Ooh, we're walking back now, almost to the car. Not a long hike, right? Not too bad. I think it's perfect for a nice little stroll. Nice little stroll, right, Bruno? What do you see, Boo Boo? What do you see? What do you see? Whee! Alright, stopped by this Mexican restaurant over here. It's new. It used to be like a burger place. But, yeah. Looks yummy. We're gonna try these asada fries. Yummy. Alright, we've pulled up to the North American Bigfoot Center. This is in Boring. Here, Mom. Here. Boring, Oregon. And I'm not going to go inside to tour it yet today, but I will soon. I think these might be... I wonder what that is. Pretty cool, and then you got a really beautiful view of Mount Hood over here. Pretty. Oh my gosh. You must smell Bigfoot. He smells them right there. This Bigfoot Center is pretty popular, pretty famous, well-known one. I think people from the Finding Bigfoot actually run this or own this, or they have evidence here. I don't know. I've never been inside. Hello. Hi, Mr. Bigfoot. I was gonna see if the hours or the price was on here. They have a lot of cool stuff. What, the carving or the flag? Ooh, interesting. Bruno, stop eating all the plants. Wow. Only service animals are allowed in here, but I don't think I'd bring Bruno in here anyways. There's a coffee shop there, Mexican restaurant there, gas station. Nice little stop if you're going up to the mountain or back from the mountain. Alright, we're on the Tickle Creek Trail over in Sandy, Oregon. It's pretty awesome. We are excited for a nice, lovely walk. Oh, there's my mom tripping. That was good. We're keeping that in there.